Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Nissan X-Trail ST, stock reference number 5583. This shape runs from the 1st month 2011 through to the 12th month 2013. It has an MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left front guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror is faded, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, right tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror has faded paint on top edge, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.